In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place access points in Hamina. We'll focus on manual placement for maximum precision, so you can position and aim your access points exactly where they'll perform best. By the end, you'll know how to pick the tool, choose the right model, drop it on the map, and rotate it to match your real-world layout. Start by opening your project in Hamina with your floor plan visible. On the left toolbar, look for the access point icon. Click it to activate the placement tool. This tells Hamina you're about to add an AP to the design, and it changes your cursor behavior so your next click will place hardware. If your map is complex or zoomed out, take a moment to zoom in on the area you're working on. A closer view helps you place the AP precisely near doors, hallways, or work areas. As soon as the tool is active, a sidebar opens on the right. This is where you select your exact hardware model. Use the search box to find your vendor and model name, and make sure you're choosing the correct antenna variant if your manufacturer offers multiple options. Picking the correct model is important because Hamina uses that device's patterns and power limits to simulate coverage accurately. If you're not sure, check the product datasheet to confirm antenna type and frequency bands. With the proper model selected, move back to the map and click once where you want the AP to go. That single click drops the access point icon at that exact location. If you place it slightly off, don't worry, you can click and drag the icon to nudge it into the perfect spot. Aim for realistic mounting positions, like the center of a room or along a corridor, and think about obstacles like walls or columns that can affect signal strength. If your AP uses a directional antenna, you'll want to set its aim. Click the small blue handle attached to the AP icon, then click and drag to rotate. As you rotate, imagine the main beam pointing toward the area you want to cover, such as down a long hallway or across a seating area. Aligning the direction with your target space helps focus energy where users are, reduces unnecessary spillover, and can improve overall performance. If you're covering multiple zones, you can rotate, test, and fine-tune until the orientation feels right for your layout. That's it. Choose the access point tool, select the exact model, place it on the map, and rotate to aim. Use these steps to build a precise, realistic design that mirrors how your network will perform in the real world.